Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to import all the master of your one company to another company in your Tally ERP 9. So I am showing you the company PQR Limited. This is PQR Limited. I will show you the ledgers of PQR Limited. There are 21 ledgers of PQR Limited. I will show you the inventory item of PQR Limited. So there are two items in a PQR Limited. I will show you the voucher class. Under F8 there is a two voucher class for sales, and under purchase there is two purchase voucher class. Now I want to import all accounting master as well as inventory voucher, that is all the master voucher class at extra, to another new company. So how can I do this? So for the purpose of this I am creating a new company. Create company Z Limited. This is my new company I am creating for your understanding. Now I am again selecting a PQR Limited. From PQR Limited you have to export your list of accounts. So I am going to display menu. I will select list of account. This is my list of ledger appearing. This is my list of all the account, that is all my GST ledger, creditor, debtors at extra ledger. Now I am exporting this. You have to select here format as a XML. You have to select your export path. You have to select your name of file. So I am selecting as a m.xml. Here type of master, you want to export only accounting master, then select accounting master. You want to export only stock group, then select only stock group. But I want to export all the masters, so I am selecting here all the master. Now if you want the closing balance of your all the master as a opening balance, then select yes, otherwise no. So I am selecting no here and just press enter. Now I will show you my exported file. This is my exported file m.xml. Now I am selecting another company, that is Z Limited. So under Z Limited there is no any voucher is entered. I will show you accounting info, voucher type, accounting info, ledger, display only two ledger is here. I will show you inventory info. There is no inventory item for display is here. Under accounting voucher there is no voucher class for sale. There is no voucher class for purchase. Now I am importing. So I import. For the purpose of import you have to select import of data from gateway of Tally. You have to select master. Here you have to write your path. So I am writing my path. Now I am writing my file name, that is m.xml. I am just pressing enter. It will ask me the behavior, whether you combine opening balance, whether ignore duplicate, or whether modify with new data. So I am selecting first one. Now you will see that my import is done. Now I will show you under accounting info. I will select ledger. I will display you all the item. You will find that all 21 ledger is coming up without opening balance, because we have selected export opening balance as no. Now I will show you the inventory item. Under inventory info tab, select stock item, select display. Two item which is under PQR Limited will be imported in Z Limited. Opening balance is not imported because we have selected no. Now I will show you the ledger, whether all the ledger is imported with proper information or not. So I am selecting display. From display, I am selecting list of account. Suppose I am selecting this BN Metal Ledger. I will show you under BN Metal Ledger there is a stock group. His address as well as his GST number is imported. So all the information as well as all the master is imported. Now I will show you whether my voucher class is imported or not. Press F8. You will find that PQR Limited, so all the voucher class is imported here. Press F9. You will find that my purchase voucher class list is already imported. So in this way you can import your all the master as well as your particular requirement of particular master, that is accounting master or inventory master, or say all the master from one company to another company, that is with opening balance as well as without opening balance. So this is the video for how to import the master from one company to another company in your Tally ERP 9. In the next video we will discuss another features about Tally. Thank you.